Alright, good morning everyone. It is currently 5:46 in the morning, and I'm currently in my car right now, about to head out for my trip down to Baltimore via rail. And by popular request, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. So, our route for today has us on the MBTA commuter rail on the Haverhill line from Haverhill to North Station. From there, we'll transfer to Back Bay via the Orange line, and then there we will catch the Amtrak Northeast Regional down to Baltimore Penn Station. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get right to it. Our journey begins here at the Haverhill MBTA station, where we will catch the commuter rail into Boston's North Station. I settled for a forward-facing single seat on the top level of the BTC 4x-level coach. The train left Haverhill Station right on time. Right now it's difficult to see anything outside because it's still very early in the morning and the sky was pitch black. As we approach the greater Boston area, the sun begins to rise, so we can see a little bit more outside. The window is very fogged up though. We began the approach into North Station right on schedule. Overall, it was a very quiet ride, given that it was very early in the morning. Now it's time to get off the train and make our way over to the Orange Line platform, so we can transfer over to Back Bay.
Welcome to Boston's Back Bay Station. This is where we'll be catching the Amtrak Northeast Regional down to Baltimore Penn Station. Our train is number 171, scheduled to depart at 8 to 18 a.m. We still have a bit of time to kill here at Back Bay, so in the meantime, enjoy some MBTA action. Before I knew it, it was time to board. I settled for a forward-facing window seat in the left side of the train. The train left Back Bay Station right on schedule. Right around the Mansfield area is where we first reached our top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. I recorded this section of the video in 120 frames per second, so you can get a true idea of the speed. Now that I'm fully settled in, let's take a tour of my home for the next 7 hours. This is a typical coach class seat inside an Amfleet 1 coach. Each seat comes with ample legroom. Directly in front is a tray table that folds down. Below the tray table is a seat back pocket containing the safety information brochure. Right below the window are 2 power plugs and a vent for extra ventilation. Beside the seat is a button to control the recline. The seat itself is made of this very nice and cushy, comfortable leather material. Directly above the seat is an overhead console containing 2 reading lights. We were pretty slow moving through most of Connecticut, so I decided to move through the aisle seat and get some rest. Now let's have a quick tour of the lavatory on board the Northeast Regional train. Of course, you have your door latch, along with a door lock indicator. Then you have your vanity area with towels, trash, soap, a sink, 2 power plugs, and a mirror. Then you have your toilet, and right next to that some toilet paper. Before long, we were pulling into New York's Penn Station. This marks the halfway point in our journey. This is where the first segment of this train ends, meaning there will be a crew change here. Everybody's tickets will have to be scanned a second time. Shortly after departing New York Penn, I headed back to the cafe car and grabbed myself a grilled cheese sandwich. For a microwavable sandwich, it was very tasty. I wanted to get some footage of the cafe car, but unfortunately I couldn't as it was very busy at the time. On the approach into 30th Street Station, I caught a nice glimpse of the Philadelphia skyline. We are now on our last stretch of high-speed track before Baltimore Penn Station. Overall, this was a very pleasant journey on Amtrak, and I would definitely do it again. Despite the longer duration, I thought it was a much more comfortable way to travel than by plane. With that said, it's time to get off the train and head into the terminal at Baltimore Penn Station. We have one more quick section left in our journey, but first, let's take a moment to admire this beautiful terminal here at Baltimore Penn Station. After a short walk, we've arrived at the Mount Royal Light Rail Station, where we will catch the light rail down to Hunt Valley to end our journey. We still have a bit of time to kill here, so I decided to do some rail fanning in the meantime. A few minutes later, my train to Hunt Valley arrives at the station.
This station is Lutherville.
Alright guys, I finally made it to the hotel. It is currently 5:11 in the evening. I just checked in, getting all settled. And I went ahead and picked up some food at the front desk and go heat this up because I'm very hungry and tired. So, yeah, we're just gonna rest up. And that's gonna conclude this trip report for today. Gosh, I can barely speak, I'm so tired. I've been up since 4 in the morning. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, peace out guys.